Hi everyone, it's Jonathan File from Rockstar Group, and it's an absolute pleasure to be here in the Rockstar Hub today with Grace Alubodi. How are you, Grace?
I'm very well, thank you.
Excellent. Well, thank you so much for allowing us to interview you on this capital raise that you're looking at the moment, and an opportunity for people out there to be backing a fantastic new game by Grace's company, BeGenio, and the game is called Race to Infinity. We've got a couple of the products here in front of us, and I'm just going to read out to you what it says here on the front. It is the fun-filled game that gets children falling in love with maths. Now, I've got two beautiful kids, and if this game is going to teach them how to fall in love with maths, I'd love to know more about it. I'd love to get one myself. And that's, of course, what we're doing today. We're giving people the opportunity to back the project and have a new gift for the household. So, Grace, the founder, tell me more about the whole concept, where it came from, and the game itself.
Okay, thank you. I was studying computing, and I saw an advert to help children, to go into schools and help children increase their maths confidence just through playing games. I applied for it and went into schools with Sergeant Cass Foundation, and I realized that within about 6 weeks, they started to build their confidence already, and the teachers were really saying nice things about them. They were more engaged. They were no longer, sort of standing apart in class, more interested in maths. So I thought, wow, just through playing games. And I thought the method we were using was really structured, but it was very, very easy, very simple. So I really wanted to create a game that parents would be able to use in their home to do the same things, because the problem is many parents don't know how to help their children. So I've put all my knowledge...
With maths.
With maths,
yes.
That's correct. That's correct. So what I've done here is try to put all my knowledge into this game so that it can help children in a way where they're playing.
Fantastic. And we're obviously going to be seeing footage now of kids playing the games in schools. It's already out there, and the feedback so far has been wonderful. And obviously there are a number of written testimonials, and you'll hear some video testimonials soon. But very quickly, how does it work? How does the game itself actually work?
So most math games are really just maths, and what they don't have, a lot of them, is what we call replayability, which is that thing that keeps you coming back over and over and over again, which is what I tried to put into this. That's why it took me so long to actually create it. And so it kind of makes children think a little bit more about what they're wanting to do, because they want to win. So they've got different choices when they're moving around. They're actually running and racing to infinity. That's why it's called Race to Infinity. And while going, they've got certain things that they have to do, and certain spaces they have to land on to be able to go into the bits that actually take them into infinity. So yeah.
Excellent, excellent. And I mean, how long did the whole idea take you to put together, and how long has it been out there in other schools and the different games you've done so far?
Yeah, I first came up with the idea in 2003. Believe it or not, and I created the first game, which it just didn't work. After several years, it still really hadn't worked. So I actually started again just over 2 years ago to create another board, but with the same mechanics. So it's taken me just over 2 years, I would say altogether about 3 years.
Fantastic. And then what are the plans for the company in the future?
We want to get this game into the hands of every single child. We want to see children seeing maths as a game, and that's what my mission is.
Excellent. And typical age groups?
It's age 6 to 13. Having said that, my daughter has been playing this game since the age of 4, helped her with a timetable. She's top in class just through practicing and practicing, but she sees it as playing.
Absolutely. So what's great about it, from what you're saying, is that it's a race, right? So there's obviously some form of competition there. There's a winner at the end, but at the same time, that's incentivizing kids to want to be better at maths.
Right, and then they can't just say, for example, add numbers alone or take away numbers alone. They have to really think about what to do with the dice to actually get them to their goal, to get them landing in the spaces they want to land in, so that they can earn more credit tokens and start running to infinity.
Wow, well, it absolutely sounds fantastic. So ladies and gentlemen, the opportunity is for you, of course, to back the project. You can see below all the different opportunities that you have to be racing to infinity, or racing to back this game, I should say. Obviously there's more information there, of course, in the business plan, which includes testimonials as well. We're going to hear a couple of video testimonials now. Thanks very much.
Hi, I'm Mimi, and I like Race to Infinity because it's a really fun game and it teaches you things. It's mathematical because you have to do math while doing it. It's a really fun game.
You need to add, subtract, or divide?
Fantastic. This is the infinity game, and it's Race to Infinity. It's a math game, but it's much more than a math game. It's very fun-filled game. Destiny loves to play this game because it helps you to think, doesn't it, Destiny?
And it helps me learn quite a lot when I'm going around the circle.
Fantastic.
Hi, I'm Sam. I like Race to Infinity because, well, when I started playing it, I wasn't that good at maths, and it helped me learn my multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction skills.
The way the game works is you go around a circle collecting tokens to make it to the center, the infinity. And I really like it because it helps me a lot in my maths and it's really good practice.
So Mr. K, how do you find this game?
Well, it's good for education because it helps children use their numbers correctly. So like division, some people are quite stuck on division.
Right, I think that this game is very engaging because you have to constantly think if you're going to minus, use your subtraction, or you're going to use your division. It's sort of good to encourage children to think and to improve their maths.
So what do you think of that, Daisy?
It's fun.
Fun?
Love it.
Love it? Teddy?
I love it.
So there you have it. There are some fantastic words from parents already using it. I'm looking forward to taking my copy home and obviously getting my kids to do it as well. Grace, I wish you all the best of luck with it. It's a fantastic game, and as a business, let's get these in as many retail stores, not just here but worldwide, as soon as possible.
Certainly.
Great. Thanks so much, guys.
Thank you.